Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 16 of Story Talks. So, you usually say that social media is a glass house. So, how should one utilize social media for personal branding? And how is social media different than other platforms when we talk about personal branding?
Right. Social media is a glass house. It is difficult to hide your true personality for a long time. Supposing I'm trying to project myself as a very positive thinking person, a very positive person, then somebody makes a negative comment on my social media post, and I reply to that comment with double anger, double negativity. Then I have told the whole world that I am trying to be, I trying to build the image of positivity, but actually I'm not positive. I don't have control over my emotions. So that's why I say social media is a glass house, and that is why your personal growth also becomes important for success through social media. Uh, so this point which I highlighted, that avoid answering negative comments with negative tone, show your wisdom, your patience, in answering negativity. I would also like to share social networking rules, because your social media branding and social networking are happening simultaneously. So rule number one for social networking, which I would say, is observe people and decide how friendly you can get with them. When you are networking with a stranger on social media, so how fast you can become friendly, how friendly you can become with that person. Is that person encouraging you to be more friendly, or is that person very reserved? What is the you should not act like a pylon, and you should also have your own self-respect. So you should observe how much of friendship, or how much of informal you can be that with that person, for example. Second point of social networking rule number two: focus on building relationships and do not ask for favors too quickly. And I think this is where I find students, or young executives, or young people make this mistake very often. It can actually become very irritating for senior people. Like, sometimes I used to observe, I would get a Facebook friend request, and within 1 hour, please like my page. Now, this is a stranger. I'm accepting your Facebook friend request, and then you are immediately asking me for a favor, that please like my page. So, if that's the same person, connects with me and after likes my post or comments on my post for 1 week, 10 days, after that he sends, please like my page, this is my page, I would be happy if you can give me some feedback. I would be happy to like that person's page, but do not ask for favors too quickly. That is why I say that. So this is how your approach to personal branding on social media has to be slightly, different, keeping in mind the glass house nature of social media. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was so insightful.